Hello everyone, welcome back to Sowkya Vision. Today in this class we are going to study the scapular anastomosis. Yes, arterial anastomosis around the scapula. It is formed around the body and the acromion process of the scapula. Yes, the main arteries involved in the formation of the anastomosis, scapular anastomosis, is the first part of subclavian artery. Yes, the first part of subclavian artery along with the third part of axillary artery. The axillary artery containing three parts. Yes, we have completed that video. If you want to watch, so go back to the axillary artery. You will better understand this topic. Yes, and now let's see the anastomosis around the body of the scapula. Yes, the anastomosis around the body of scapula is formed by suprascapular artery, circumflex scapular artery, deep branch of transverse cervical artery. Yes, these three branches of main branch of artery are involved in the formation of anastomosis around the body of scapula. Yes, let's see in the diagram. So, what I said, it is formed by suprascapular artery. Where is the suprascapular artery? Here it go. The suprascapular artery. It is a branch of thyrocervical artery. I think you can visible clearly now. Yes. Yeah. So the first branch is suprascapular artery. It is from thyrocervical trunk. Yes. What is the next one? Circumflex scapular artery. It is a branch of. In the last class we have dealt that axillary artery. The circumflex scapular artery is a branch of subscapular artery. So here it goes. It is a branch. Yes, here you can see. And now another one is what? Deep branch of transverse cervical artery. Yes, this is the deep branch of transverse cervical artery, which is a branch of thyrocervical trunk. Yes, what are the three branches? Suprascapular artery, deep branch of transverse cervical artery, and circumflex scapular artery. These three are anastomosed around the body of scapula. And what are the arteries around the acromion process of the scapula? There are also three arteries. Acromial branch from thoracoacromial artery, acromial branch of suprascapular artery, acromial branch of posterior circumflex humeral artery. Yes, let's see in the diagram. What is the first artery? Acromial branch of thoracoacromial artery. Thoracoacromial artery, it is the first branch from the second part of axillary artery. Yes, it is the first branch. That means second branch of axillary artery. Yes, this is the thoracoacromial artery. So, acromial branch, this is the acromial branch. It has four branches: deltoid, acromial, pectoral and clavicular. So, acromial branch of thoracoacromial artery. And another is what? Suprascapular artery. Yes, acromial branch of suprascapular artery. Where is the suprascapular artery? Yes, this is the suprascapular artery. This is a branch of suprascapular artery is involved in the anastomosis around the acromion process of the scapula. What is the another branch? Acromial branch of posterior circumflex humeral artery. This is the posterior circumflex humeral artery. The branch from the posterior circumflex humeral artery is involved in the anastomosis around the acromion process. So let's see again. The arteries involved in the anastomosis around the scapular body of scapula are suprascapular artery and deep branch of transverse cervical artery, which are the branches of thyrocervical trunk, and another is circumflex scapular artery. Anastomosis around the body of scapula. Around the acromion process, the branch from suprascapular artery, yes, the branch from posterior circumflex artery, humeral artery, and the branch from thoracoacromial artery, acromial branch from thoracoacromial artery involved in the anastomosis of around the scapula, acromion process of the scapula. Yes, it is the complete discussion of scapular anastomosis. If you have any doubt, please do comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.